Hello, everyone, and welcome to my first, not first trading week, but I had only two trades last week. They were quite good, but overall, I don't have any trade in Bitcoin, or I mean, not currently that I took, but I have a trade from 28th of August from 16 to 100. This is a swing trade. The fees are were killing me. So let's see. But I'm expecting a move at least to 19k area. Probably that's where I will take some profits. And then 21k, 25, and sorry. And if we keep on moving, but I think this is the top of the range, right? So we'll see if we get there. I'm in no rush to do things. If there is a trade that I will take, it's gonna be a pullback into this area. So if I get a pullback all the way to 17k, I will definitely long Bitcoin again. But this is more like you know a regular trade, not a swing or anything. I think we're gonna be a bit range bound until Thursday. Um, I've been looking at charts this morning, and I think the dollar down move is starting to get limited, and I think some big squeeze is gonna come soon. We're almost close to the first earning week, so let's see how the market will perform there. Otherwise, like all these alts, if you remember in my last update, I said that I wanted to buy Sol at $10, but I was drunk in this period, so no problem. I mean, um, missed opportunities doesn't mean like anything. There is always another opportunity in the market, but overall, alts are looking good. Ethereum is looking good. um, in one of my updates, I said I didn't delete this drawing, but you see how nice it came right where I said it would, and then up. uh, I would have banked 3r 3r 2 point, no, sorry, 2.57 r trade. um I didn't take this trade, by the way. Again, usually from 15th of December until 15th of January, I don't trade. Mainly is because I'm on a holiday, and I think taking time off is very, very important to anyone. It doesn't matter if this moved, you can catch like a lot of moves in the market. We're still in a range, so we're gonna play the range until it trends. But until then, there is literally um, nothing else. Um, so as long as we're range bound, we're gonna play the ranges. Just be patient about everything. I don't, as I again, rushing into stuff is pointless. Um, so Bitcoin, I think, um, once uh, once we get like a pullback, I'll see if I'll see if I can take a trade like that. So, but I have to see how price reacts here. I believe that in around 19k, we will see some, definitely see some resistance at this point, unless BTC, decouples from the stock market and everything. So let's take a look at indices. Um, I think this is the only one. Yeah. Well, here we had a missed trade, no problem. This is the trade that we're waiting for. This big breakout here. Probably we can take a long. Um, Against it's same as Bitcoin. If you look at there is a similarity in the breakout, but we're still into resistance. Okay, so but if there is gonna be a trade, this is a very very good trade here. So let's put on alert. Ah, shit. Okay, I will upgrade this um, after I finish this. So basically, this is the trade that I will take, um, and we'll see if we can ride it all the way here. But I think with CPI coming on Thursday, I mean that's a 50-50, but I think it's coming down because like oil came down. Um, let's see. Oil came down quite a bit. Now it's kind of reversing. What we are hoping is uh, that I think this can go as low as 50, if I recall. What was it? It's not six. Um, yeah, we can go as low as this area here in between 60 and 56. So, but I think once we get here, we're gonna push again to the hundreds, and that's gonna be the big range that we're gonna play in oil right now. Um, you know, like this is an inflationary asset, right? So if it comes down, uh, gas prices are coming down and stuff like that. So it was nice to see at the gas pump lower prices. It's not because I'm cheap, but it was very very expensive. Like almost 120 euros for a full tank. Oh, it's ridiculous. Because back a few years I was paying like in around 65 to 70 euros. Oh, that's almost double. um yeah, well, I think gold will perform well. Precious metals in general will perform well. We had this beautiful trade 4.8 r 4 r, sorry, I booked it at 4 r, and then I accidentally closed the whole position instead of cutting some. But it's okay, these were very, very good trades that what obviously these are easy trades because we are in a trend, right? So every pullback um, can be bought. I think the most easiest money you can make is in trends. Ranges are very, very hard to trade. I think we're gonna sweep this, probably come down, consolidate a bit, and then probably move higher. So it's gonna be like this, breakout, come down a bit. It needs to cool off, and then probably shoot higher. But we'll have to see like the CPI data and everything. I do believe that gold will make new highs this year, for sure. I think these highs will be definitely taken. This move is very, very impulsive. So even if we go, if we pull back, you know, I will definitely be buying like heavy if we get a deeper pullback, obviously. Um, silver. This was the stupid trade that I took. Well, you see, it was my first week. I said like, oh, I will just find a trade and I will trade it. Yeah, but I used 0.25 risk, as I wrote in the group. That was a stupid trade. Hippie boy, a guy from our group, he warned me about this, and I said, yeah, yeah, whatever. But he was right, so thank you for that. Um, well, sometimes you're just too thrilled to start, and I kind of broke my rules, but it's okay. But I had this beautiful trade that I got this idea from a friend. He was short, and I told him like, why would you short into this sweep, right, and into this daily bullish divergence, right? So this is kind of like a clear sign. You have it also on weekly. So when you have stuff like this happening, it's you get these obvious signs, right? Oh, it's a 2.6 hour trade that I took. It was 2.8. It was like this, but I took the profits here. So I'm quite happy with this trade. Okay. No, I told him like, look, we're gonna break out, retest. We did retest, beautiful retest, retested, and then boom, up. So overall, good trade. I mean, I am already 12.85 R minus 1, 11.85 R trade. I have 11.85 Rs already that I started the new year. And it's just it was the first week. I don't usually trade it, but it's, you know, I said like, why not? Looking at the euro dollar, nice trade here. We took most of the profits, and I have 0.10 left here. Even if I get stopped out on this trade, I will be in profits because of the swap fees. Okay, so yeah, that's a very, I held this trade for quite a long time, but um, as I told you, even if I get stopped, like almost a month of holding a trade. This is why you have to be patient, okay? And it was like 15th, my last trading day, and I just took the time off and I took some profits. I was in around the lows here. So now I think um, the euro dollar will probably go a bit higher. But I think the move is kind of limited. Okay, if we go all the way here, but I kind of highly doubt, that we will get so far. But you never know. Um, if we break this red line here, 1.742, I think we're gonna push higher. But again, I think we're very, very like if it breaks out, okay, 380 pips, that's okay. But from here, I think we will definitely have a deeper pullback. Like the XI looks a bit stretched, if you ask me. I'm expecting like I would like to long this area here, 101 or 99.1, 100. So if we get into this area here, I would like to see how the price reacts before doing anything, because I think with the first earning season, like if stocks will go down, there will be fears of global recession and everything. And once we get that, I think the dollar will gain again strength because no one will want to hold, I don't know, Argentinian peso, right? You'll want to hold dollars. So I think investors will look to, flee into the dollar. But let's see. Of course, these moves, they're very, very big and impulsive. Um, so, they have to kind of like correct. But once they, at least to midpoint here, we're kind of getting there. So that's why I'm saying everything looks limited to me. Maybe I'm wrong on the trades. So, but I'll be looking for shorts into major resistance. Okay, on all assets or support if it's like USD Japanese yen. Now we got a nice sweep here, right, and up. We'll have to see how it plays out. Uh, it looks like a short, maybe 125, something like this. Yeah, if we get into this area, I'll be looking for some longs. Um, I don't know if Japan will do anything about it, with the inflation, or they tried, but overall the rate differentials are quite high between the dollar and the yen. So we'll have to see. If there is gonna be a trade that I would like to take, it's gonna be a breakout out of this um, trend line here. If I get a close above on a daily, and it looks like a channel, sort of, right? So I'll be looking for a breakout of this trend line here, same as I showed you in the Aussie and Swiss franc. If we break, retest, long, boom, like that. But maybe it's gonna be like a bit different, like something like this. So I'll be looking for these highs here. Well, my first take profit will be here. So let's see how it plays out. For now, it just ranges. I mean, it ranges, but on the downside. So, well, that's it. I don't have anything else to add. I think that's it. I want to see if it sweeps these highs and then comes down. It's gonna be very interesting. I mean, right now I don't have any trade plan because there is literally nothing that suggests that I should be taking a trade except on Bitcoin, which was this trade here. That's the only trade that I'm looking for, and not much to say. That's my plan for now. But otherwise, this looks very, very interesting. So, otherwise, I wish you a good trading week. And if you have questions, feel free to ask me. I think in one of the updates, talked about potential black swans, like this one. Okay, so just be mindful of these things, right? I still believe the euro dollar is a weather trade. Right now, the natural gas reserves in Europe are quite good. And they're like in Europe, in Germany, that are at 90%, if I recall last time when I checked. So, but if bad weather starts to kick in, expect that thing to be depleted, and I think euro will turn. And that will probably add more fuel to the inflation numbers. So we're gonna have higher interest rates, and it's gonna be a big, big mess. So that's it for today. Um, that's it. Yeah. Sorry. So have a great day and a great week. Let me know if you have anything to add or if you have questions. Cheers.